Hey y'all, welcome to Simply Jan Homestead. Well, as most of you know, I've been on a whirlwind trip from Missouri to New York, and I just got home today. It's Wednesday. And so for the past 8 weeks, I've been logging the growth of our meat birds, because I thought it would be interesting to see how much they've grown. And I will tell you that they have doubled. Well, it looks like they've doubled in size. We got the jumbo Cornish Cross meat birds from Murray McMurray Hatchery, let's see, 8 weeks ago. And we have them in a chicken tractor and just have been gauging their growth this whole time. And my goodness, they are the size of turkeys right now. So Saturday, we will be processing them. Again, we won't be showing the processing, but we will show you what we got when we're done, and how many pounds of chicken came out of those chickens. We did lose one the other night. It was raining real bad. I wasn't home yet. It was raining real bad, but I think it just got cold. It froze and it was wet. And pretty much not much Kevin could do about it. He put a heat lamp in with them, and but so we're gonna process 24 chickens, and we're gonna keep the little blackbird and try and get him into the other flock. So I hope you enjoy the week by week charting of how they grew. Alive and healthy. There's our free one right there. Beautiful. I don't know if they're boys or girls anymore. They're all healthy. Eating. Y'all, look how big they're already getting. See their little wings. It's amazing how fast these chicks grow. Just amazing. Just short of 1 week old. Here, 1 week old here. Okay, I messed up on my count last time. We are at week 3. Week 3, y'all. Look how big they're getting. Hi. Let's see if I can get around here. They like their chicken tractor. Oh yeah. And they like their grass. Hey y'all. Okay. Week 4. You won't believe it. Hold on. They eat and eat and eat. And here's our little one, our extra one we got. He's just a runt compared to them. He's being camera shy right now. They are growing. Week 4. Week 5. There's our little bird.
It's feeding time.
Week 6. 2 more weeks to go. There they are. Week 7. Almost time. Definitely time to move them though. Okay. This is week 8. I just got home from New York. And these birds have doubled in size. They will be processed this weekend. My. Hope you enjoyed the progression that I've shown.